The biggest problem is I'm hungry, and waiting for your charcoal to catch fire is like watching a pot boil. What do they say? A watch pot never boils. I'm just grilling this, I'm not smoking this, so the goal is to get a nice char on all the meat. So the plan is cooking the sausage, pork, bacon, and shrimp, and putting it on some red curry that my wife made the night before. This is looking really good and close to ready. I gotta be careful and don't undercook it. Tendency to do that when I'm really hungry. But we're getting some good char on there. And I moved the shrimp center stage so it gets finished. I think a little more char on the peppers, but I want them a little al dente anyway. Oh, time to nosh. Awesomeness. Nice little meat tray. Put it on this red curry. A little slice. Oh, I forgot. Got toothpicks in there holding the bacon on. Nice little brats. Everything has a nice little char on it. The jumbo shrimp. Give it a little squeezy. Now finish it off with some cilantro for the garnish, but I'll also use cilantro and green onion sauce. How's that done? And it matches my beer. Ah! What did I get on my beer? I get in trouble for being a messy cook. Thanks for watching Shelter, Food, and Beer. I nailed this tonight. Good, simple, easy grilling.